Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining in with me today. Today we are going to read from Matthew chapter 8, verses 14 to 17. When Jesus came into Peter's house, he saw Peter's mother-in-law lying in bed with a fever. He touched her hand, and the fever left her, and she got up and began to wait on him. When evening came, many who were demon-possessed were brought to him, and he drove out the spirits with a word and healed all the sick. This was to fulfill what was spoken through the prophet Isaiah. He took up our infirmities and bore our diseases. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening. God bless. See you tomorrow and have a good day.